Understanding protein sources.
Proteins are essential building blocks for our bodies. They come from two main sources, plants and animals. While both provide important amino acids, the way our bodies absorb and use these proteins differs. Exploring these differences can help you make informed choices to support your health and nutrition goals.
What is protein absorption and bioavailability?
Absorption refers to how well your digestive system takes in protein from food. Bioavailability is how efficiently your body uses that absorbed protein. Not all proteins are used equally. Some sources are digested and absorbed more completely than others, affecting their nutritional impact.
Animal protein, highly absorbable.
Animal-based proteins, like those from meat, eggs, and dairy, are considered complete proteins. They contain all 9 essential amino acids and are typically absorbed efficiently by the body. Their high bioavailability means they are used almost entirely for muscle repair, growth, and other bodily functions.
Plant protein, what sets it apart?
The plant-based proteins are found in foods like beans, lentils, nuts, and grains. Many plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids. They are often less easily absorbed due to fiber and natural compounds that can limit digestion. However, combining different plant foods can help you get a complete amino acid profile.
Making the most of your protein intake.
To boost protein absorption from plants, eat a variety of sources throughout the day. Pairing foods like rice and beans can improve amino acid balance. Cooking, soaking, or fermenting plant proteins may also help digestion. Whether you choose animal or plant protein, a balanced approach ensures your body gets what it needs for optimal health.